hot, sunny day. A happy little duck saw a cool pond. Splash! The duck jumped right in. Quack, quack! This water feels so nice. Nearby, a curious cat watched from the shore. I can do that too. Jump, splash. Oh no, it's wet, so cold. The cat quickly scrambled out. Shake, her fur got wet. She was scared to look into the mirror. She got sad. Her furry body instantly became half of its size. The cat quickly scrambled out. Shake, shake, shake. Water flew everywhere. The duck giggled. Don't worry, cat. Try this. The duck brought a tiny yellow rubber duck float. The cat frowned. No thanks. Then, the cat tried it. Very slowly. Hey, this is actually fun. Now the duck and cat floated together, laughing all afternoon. Sometimes trying something new can surprise you.
Subscribe for more!